Hello guys and welcome to PIBBV Adventures Part 2. In this video I'm going to show you the new virus creator that I've made. This virus creator allows you to create your own virus without having to waste your time and without worrying about having to write all this code and make the virus. It's going to create it for you automatically. You'll just order the virus to be created and it's going to be created immediately. It can just take a couple of seconds and then it's going to be created. Now you can just make as many of the PIBBV Black as you can without worrying at all about it. So yeah, and the link will be in the description. Also the link for the original version of Trojan PIBBV Black will be in the description. In the previous video, in part 1 of the PIBBV Adventures, I didn't show you the original version of PIBBV Black. In this video, I'll hopefully show you the original version. So anyway, let's go ahead and let me go ahead and show you the virus creator. Okay, so of course there is info here, create a virus, exit virus creator. If you press info, here's the info. You can pause the video and read it. It's simple info, and by the way, you can just cross this part and ultimate because it cannot create the PIBBV ultimate yet. I didn't give it the ability to do that yet, so yeah. Okay, so let's create a virus. Now if I select a Trojan PIBBV Ultimate, here's what will come up. We are sorry, the PIBBV Ultimate feature is not yet available. So however, the PIBBV Black is actually available and it can be created for you. So let's go ahead and create it. It's going to ask you to put it to type in your destination folder, and if you want to return back, you can just type back like that. It's going to return you back. Okay, so yeah. Let me go ahead and type a destination folder. By the way, the destination folder doesn't have to exist on your computer. If it doesn't exist, this virus creator will create it for you and then put the virus inside it. Okay, notice I set my destination folder to be C users on my desktop test, so, and there's no folder in my desktop called test, so this one is going to create a folder called test and create the virus inside this folder. So let's press enter. Now it's going to ask you to type your desired name for the virus. Again, if you want to get back, you can type back and it's going to get you back to the menu, but if you don't want to go back, so you should go ahead and proceed and type the desired name for your virus. This name is for your virus and you should not include the file name extension. So say I'm going to name this virus I'm going to name it virus. Okay, I don't have to say virus.bad, virus.whatever. No, you don't have to say that. Just say virus and press enter. Creating Trojan PIBBV Black. Please wait. And here we go. The folder has been created over here. It can take like half a minute or so, and it's going to actually create the virus completely. Here we go. So the virus is created and it asks me whether or not I want to show virus in folder. Of course I'm gonna say yes, and it's going to open the folder in front of me so that I can see my completed virus. Okay, so within a couple of seconds it has been completed. In less than a minute the whole virus is completed. Okay, now you can run it as a batch file. It's gonna work fine, or you can actually run it as a bat2exe as an exe file. It's gonna also work fine. So let me go ahead and show you that. Okay, I'm going to convert it to an exe, or let me just run it as a batch. I don't want to waste time converting it up. I mean, I could convert it to an exe file. That's an application, not a batch file, and then run it, and it's going to produce the same results. However, it's going to be a little slower. I don't know why, but it's going to produce the same results. It's going to take just some time to produce them. Anyway, so I'm going to show you that this actually works. Of course I have the PIBBV Black cure, so I'm not gonna let it do anything to my computer. Once it attacks, I'm going to immediately stop it by the cure. It's very powerful. It's a very powerful cure. So here we go, the cure is running. whenever it once it runs, I'm going to select to recure your PC from PIBBV Black. Okay, so I don't know what's that. Okay, yeah, I was actually searching for a way to convert BAT to EXE converter without any software, without even iExpress, just by a batch script to convert, but so far I didn't find any any idea about that. So I wish I could be able to do that. That would be so cool. So if you have any idea on how to do that, please leave it in the comment section below. Anyway, so let's go ahead and come on, what's wrong? Huh? What's wrong? Okay, so let's go ahead and open it again. Sometimes that happens, it doesn't really matter much. I'm gonna open it here like that. Anyway, so let's go ahead and open the virus and see. Okay, minimize it, leave it in the background, it's gonna do its business, and suddenly that text is gonna start, and suddenly the screen is gonna turn black, and you get the point, right? Okay, so I'm waiting. Here we go, it attacked. I'm going to press 2 to cure it immediately. Here we go, it's cured instantly. That's a very powerful cure. I'm glad that I've managed to be able I've been able to do to make such a great cure. Okay, so let's restore the wallpaper quickly. Alright, so I guess it is restored right now. Alright, so the wallpaper is successfully restored by the cure. Okay, and the same thing will happen actually if you try it out as an exe file. Anyway, so let me go ahead and delete this file. So delete this folder, I mean. Oh, I cannot delete it. I know this thing happens. So the solution to that is pretty simple. Task kill /f/imcmd.exe. Okay, and then you will be able to delete this folder easily, like that. Okay. Okay, now one thing remains in this video, which is to show you the PIBBV Black. I didn't show you this this Trojan yet in the previous video, so let me show you. I'm going to show you the original version of the PIBBV Black. So let me pause the video until I get everything ready, so that I can show it to you quickly. And yeah, well, let me tell you what it will do, because I don't want to waste your time. I might make another video on PIBBV Black only, but I don't want to waste your time, guys. I don't want to make my videos too long. I mean, I don't want to exceed the 10 minutes if I could. So it's like PIBBV Ultimate. It's gonna put the skull and everything. But in addition to that, after the restart, no matter how much you restart, after the computer boots up, the virus is gonna boot up and it's going to task kill the explorer.exe, and you will simply see something like this. That's what you're going to see. So whenever you restart your computer, the same thing will happen again, and no matter what, no matter how much you keep typing start explorer.exe, if you manage to open the CMD, it's not gonna open, because there is another CMD window running in the background that's constantly task killing the explorer.exe. So whenever this process opens, it's going to be instantly task killed. In addition to the lag that the normal PIBBV Ultimate makes, the computer will be very slow, very laggy, and the screen will be black. If you're on Windows 8, it's not going to be black, it's going to be some other color, depending on what color you chose for your Windows. Anyway, let's start the explorer.exe again. Alright, so here we go. Alright guys, so yeah, hopefully I'll put both links in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. I don't know what will the next video be about, but whatever pops up in my mind, hopefully will be done and made as a video. So yeah, see you guys next time.